Hello friends, welcome to a more interesting aspect of motivational skills, and the topic for today's discussion is peer coaching. Now peer coaching is a scenario, ladies and gentlemen, in which people belonging to different departments, they come together and they help together in different problems that they are facing in their industries. And this process may be online, this may be offline. Both online and offline people connect with each other, they meet each other and try to discuss major issues, major problems that they are facing and try to find out solution of all those problems collectively. As I said, it can happen online and offline both. If I talk about offline mode, different representatives from different organizations, they can contact each other, they can call each other, they can arrange a separate meeting somewhere at a certain place, and then they can get together over there and they can discuss different matters on which they want to find out the solution. This is the offline mode. In case of online mode, similarly, these different managers, these different peoples, they can connect with each other by the mode of video conferencing or by any other online mode. They can talk to each other, they can share their problems with each other, whatever problems they are facing in their individual departments, and then they can find out the solution of all those problems by collectively discussing the things with each other. This is known as peer coaching, peer connectivity. And this is very crucial, ladies and gentlemen, because different organizations are facing different types of scenarios. If I talk about work profile of different people working in different organizations, the working pattern everywhere is same. We have finance managers in one organization, we have finance managers in another organization. We have HR people in one organization, we have HR people in other organizations too. Similarly, we have engineers in one organization, we have engineers in another organization also. In this way, different organizations, whatever they are doing, their businesses may be different, but the categories of employees that are working in different departments, they are almost similar. And since the departments are similar, the types of professionals are similar, all the professionals might be facing similar kind of problems, because they are involved in similar kind of tasks, similar kind of activity. That's why, in order to help out each other, meeting online is very essential. And by the help of this peer coaching method, different people belonging to different strata of an organization, they can organize an online or offline meeting. People belonging to similar domain, they can meet with each other, they can connect with each other, they can discuss their problems with each other. Now in this case, one more thing is possible, which is known as peer client and peer managers. Peer client or peer trainer. This is again a very crucial category in this peer-to-peer learning. In this case, what happens? A peer senior is assigned who is a trainer, who is more experienced, who is more aware of the corporate sector trends, and who trains people who are in junior category, who are in junior level inside the organization, about what is happening inside the organization, how things can be managed, how training and maintenance department can work actively, how technical department of the organization can work actively. So in case of peer-to-peer learning, people can also act as managers and learners, and people can also act as the professionals belonging to same level of understanding, same level of experience, and then they can share their thoughts, their ideas with each other. People can share that what type of different scenarios they are working in and what types of different problems they are specifically facing in their own crucial department. Because doesn't matter whether the department is same or not, the types of problems faced by professionals in different organizations, they might be different. Ladies and gentlemen, department may be same, but the problems that different people are facing in different departments and even in similar department, they may be different. one person's experience in one particular domain is entirely different from another person's experience in the same domain. This is the fact of life. You cannot say that if two people are working in the same department, in the same domain, they are exactly facing similar kind of circumstances and similar kind of situation in both the different industries. Circumstances may be different, situations may be different, and to analyze what similar professionals are facing in different industries, what different and dissimilar problems same category of professionals are facing in different industry, to understand this thing, peer coaching is the most crucial and the most effective tool. Even if you are not face to face with the person, you can understand the terms and conditions of what is happening in different industries online by the mode of video conferencing, by the mode of online calling, or by any other online technical methods by which people sitting in different locations of the world, different locations of the country can connect with each other. So this is a very crucial tool of teaching and learning, even if you are facing each other or you are not facing each other. And it may also happen that if you have time, if you are free from your work schedule, you can contact different peers, different peer group, different people belonging to your own level of experience. They can meet with each other at some specific place which is convenient for everyone. Now this I am talking about offline mode. If you don't want to meet online, if you want to discuss matter face to face with each other, this is also a very crucial pattern, ladies and gentlemen. Different managers belonging to different departments, they can contact with each other. They can decide a particular place where they can meet for a certain period of time, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, according to their needs and requirements, and they can discuss crucial matters with each other at that particular place. It may be somebody's home, it may be some hotel, it may be any other place according to the convenience of the peers. But the matter of this whole terminology is you have to be in constant touch with people of same level belonging to different organizations so that you can understand the different working patterns and different trends that is going on in different organizations, and then you can successfully plan further growth of your organization and what you have to do further in order to make your organization more productive and more innovative. So this is the whole crux of peer coaching, ladies and gentlemen. This is a highly effective tool. It is based on sharing and learning, and knowledge must be shared. If we share our knowledge, the knowledge will grow. If we learn from other people, we become more experienced. And opposite to this, if we impart our own knowledge to other people, they also learn something from us. So this is a matter of mutual understanding and growing collectively. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.